Imagine this. You get a panic call because a child was just injured on your community playground. That rusty swing chain finally broke. Now you're dealing with upset residents, potential liability issues, and emergency repair costs that weren't in your budget. This happens hundreds of times every year, but the truth is, leading communities have moved beyond just reacting to problems. The standard approach of annual professional inspections isn't enough anymore. Communities that stay ahead are using what I call predictive maintenance systems, essentially creating a safety culture around your playgrounds. Here's how it works. Start with weekly checks using digital tools instead of paper checklists. This creates searchable records that help you spot patterns before they become problems. Then add a quarterly technical assessment focused on structural issues, connection points, and surface conditions. Bring in specialized firms like Playground Guardian or Compan that don't just check ASTM compliance, but help you anticipate future issues. These experts can help develop equipment life cycle plans spanning 3 to 5 years, not just fix what's broken today. This approach transforms playground maintenance from a headache into an actual community asset strategy. You're not just preventing injuries, you're increasing property values and making residents happier with their community. The suggestion box approach is outdated. Today's leading communities involve residents in meaningful ways that reshape how playgrounds function within the community. Try creating playground ambassador programs where resident volunteers receive basic safety training. Hold seasonal design workshops that bring together families, maintenance staff, and safety experts. Set up digital platforms for ongoing improvement suggestions, and form committees that consider needs access across different age groups. The most innovative communities are conducting playground equity assessments to ensure all children can use these spaces, regardless of their ability. And you know what? These communities see much higher usage rates and stronger community connections. When you transform feedback from a complaint system into a collaborative process, your playgrounds become neighborhood hubs rather than isolated amenities that only serve a small segment of your community. The communities setting the standard have completely reimagined playground finances. They see these spaces as strategic investments, not just maintenance obligations. Develop a comprehensive playground asset plan that ties equipment life cycle timing with your reserve study planning. Track maintenance costs against usage and community satisfaction surveys. Implement phased replacement strategies that spread costs while continuously improving facilities. This approach transforms playground expenses from budget line items into strategic investments with measurable returns, increased property values, reduced liability incidents, and higher community engagement. Things that truly separate excellent communities from average ones. Leading communities have fundamentally reimagined playground management by moving from reactive maintenance to strategic planning. Through smarter safety systems, collaborative design processes, and investment-focused approaches, these communities have transformed playgrounds from potential liability concerns into powerful community assets. The real question isn't whether your playground meets minimum standards. It's whether your playground strategy is positioning your community as a leader in resident satisfaction and property value enhancement. If you found this perspective valuable, we invite you to connect with us. Facebook viewers, like our page and follow us for regular updates. Feel free to message us directly with your questions or community challenges. Instagram viewers, hit follow and feel free to DM us with your questions or community challenges. YouTube viewers, subscribe to our channel and check out the video description for helpful links. Visit our website to discover our thought leadership content, books, and resources that can transform your community management approach. Whether you're dealing with the challenges we discussed today or other community issues, we're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.